was completely impossible. Today, on the 17th of July 2023, well, it's Haukilahdenranta, Jätvik 115, here in Haukilahti, Jätvik, not far from Haukilahti, not in Espoo, healthcare, Espoo, region, Uusimaa, Finland. And the capacity is 2 persons of 160 grams in Swedish and Finnish, however, it should be here. We'll take 3 rides because it's very rare.
Yeah.
1965, billion 1965, and second latest one for 2 persons, 160 grams. It's going to be expected in the next year, 2024. They're 60 years old in 2025. The same was H13621. Let's try it now. Very amazing. It was absolutely impossible to cancel.
Yeah.
We did it today.
Yeah.
Finally. The newest one from the beginning of 1965 with the same small capacity is in Kampi, and I filmed it as well.
Yeah.
You can watch it as well. Yes.
Kiva jos... inspektiit kiva jos otat meitä nyt possilla. This retake for me, but I only took 1 ride back then.
Very beautiful art.
Yeah.
It was simply impossible to case up.
Yeah.
We had to. I would also like to see the art on first 2 and 1 later after they come.
Yeah.
I'll look at the art.
Yeah. That's